Right then guys, I've got a single Euro cylinder here. This is one that UCOF sent me. It's designated 17B, otherwise known as Susan Sarandon's spooled sensation. Let's pop her in the vise. That doesn't sound wrong. It's a 5-pin lock, I think. I've not looked at the key yet, it's all still taped up. And I'm going to use top of the keyway tension. As you can see, there's a lot of play in the core there, which kind of confirms the spool situation we've got here. Okay, so I'm using a light to medium tension. Get that round. Okay, it starts at the back. Can't quite reach all the pins, I have to go in a slight angle, some of them. And slipped off. Okay, let's go to the front and try there. Yeah, immediately into counter rotation. It's 1 and 2, I think. Sure if I dropped one of those. I did. Try 2 again. Okay, up to the back. That's fine. Pin 3, pin 2 actually, pin 4, I'll click out of that one. Let's see who's next. Okay, pin 2, there we go, it's open. Yeah, having actually seen the pins in this, it was quite a daunting task. Basically it's all spools including the key pins, but it's very talkative, lots of nice feedback, so yeah, great fun. Thanks again to UCOF for this lock, and thank you for watching. See you soon.